You are watching the disaster news, and stay connected with us by subscribing to get next news.
Terrible, huge, whatever, such a powerful tornado can turn any place into dust in an instant. Of India, this rare tornado hit Abohar village in Punjab's Fazilka district. The giant tornado destroyed more than 50 homes, rendering them uninhabitable. According to locals, at least 10 people were seriously injured, out of which 2 were hospitalized. Tornadoes' powerful swirling winds can see household furniture and debris blown away. They had nothing to do but watch from a distance as the terrible tornado was destroying everything one by one. There was extensive damage to field crops and plants, including cattle, which were completely destroyed. Seeing this tornado moving across the vast sky, BSF Jawans reached the spot and quickly rescued. The expedition began. This is the second tornado reported in the past week. If you like the video, like, comment and share. Stay connected with us by subscribing to get the next news.